Right. Welcome. Hello and welcome to 8 Woodpecker Pass. My name's Regina. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 4-bedroom home. Let's go have a look. That was too short. All right. Hello and welcome to 8 Woodpecker Pass in Churns. No, I'm going to get the giggles. Oh, Harry's looking at me like you're a tool. Sorry, do you want to sit on that? Would that work? Gotta take a seat for this. We could be here a while. On a street frontage corner block. That was, I repeated myself. A double lock-up garage, street frontage and own title. Frontage. Did you hear that? Street frontage. On street frontage with its own title. Today we're going to have a look at a property that's been subdivided, but it has street frontage. That's a hard word. On its own title with street frontage. So let's go take a look. That was dumb. I paused. And that one. Can I hear another car? We'll just wait for that one. Beep, beep. And that one. As you can see, we have a local bus that runs right past the house. It's great for public transport. So come with me and let's take the tour. Let's go.